Today we're showing you a 2019 Kubota L4701 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA765 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just under 100 hours on it. It is practically a new tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact warranty end dates. Again, very low hours. Does come with the front end loader. The loader is quick attach. The bucket has a skid steer style connection as well. So we got a quick attach bucket and loader. Front drill guard. Paint on the tractor is excellent. As you can see, it does have the R4 tires, which are in excellent condition. The rears back here, you can see the barcode still there in the tread. It does have the hydrostat transmission. Has toolbox back here, foldable rollover bar, top link drawbar, stabilizer bars, everything's there. Tractors are rated at 47 horsepower. Treadle pedal there for your forward reverse, and then it has the 3 ranges here to the left, as well as the cruise control lever back here as well. Very nice tractor. Again, does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact end dates. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.